This video is for entertainment purposes only. We're not here to support violence or division. I am indigenous to the land. I represent the Nativa Party and the Nativa movement. If you want to join, click the link and sign up. Also, if you're ready to go in private, please click the link or inbox me because I cannot be taken down. If you go in that courtroom to represent yourself, it's called pro se. And here's exactly what to say and how to move when the judge presses you. I appear as the living man, yarn woman, in proper person, pro se. I reserve all rights without prejudice. Say it with your chest. Don't say here. Don't say defendant. Say it on record. If they try to move forward with anything, you say so. Do not consent. I challenge jurisdiction. I reserve my rights under UCC 1308. That shuts down assumption and contract. You ain't the name on the charging instrument. You're the living being, the heir, the beneficiary, not the dead entity. If the judge presses you like, well, why are you here? Do you understand the charges? Are you refusing counsel? You don't answer, you flip it. Say, Your Honor, for and on the record, does this court have verified evidence of jurisdiction over the living woman? Can the prosecution place their claim on the record under oath with first-hand knowledge? Let them prove their position. You don't have to explain anything. If they still try to drag the hearing forward, just say, for and on the record, I do not waive any rights and I do not consent to contract with this court. If this court proceeds, it is acting in clear violation of due process and under color of law. Then stop. Don't say nothing else. Let the silence work for you. When you proceed, your job ain't to argue. Your job is to hold position and put it back on them. Let the judge and prosecution prove their standing, their authority, and their claim. If you need help getting this locked in before court, click the link or inbox me. You only get one chance to show up right. Don't fold now. Part 2. If the court moves forward after you object, 1, stay calm, let the violation happen, document it. Don't flip out and we don't argue. You let the court commit the violation on the record. That's your evidence for the next move. Example, if they deny your jurisdiction challenge, accept a plea on your behalf or move to trial and just say, let the record reflect that this court is proceeding without established jurisdiction and against my objection. I reserve all rights. That's gold for appeal or federal action later. Immediately file a judicial notice plus notice of violation. File a judicial notice into the record stating you did not consent, you challenged jurisdiction, the court moved forward without proof of standing. Include constitutional, civil rights, and UCC protection. This locks in proof of due process violations. If you need help drafting that, I got you. Appeal the decision to a higher court. If the court renders a judgment, plea, or ruling without proving jurisdiction, file a notice of appeal to the next level court, usually district or appellate court. Base it on violation of due process, lack of subject matter jurisdiction, or fraud on the court. You'll want to attach your original affidavit or challenge, proof of their refusal to answer, transcript or record of hearing, request it from the clerk. File a federal civil rights lawsuit if serious. If your rights were seriously violated, jail, fines, seizure of rights, you can sue the judge, prosecutor, or agency under 42 U.S.C. Code 23, Civil Rights Violation, Title 18, 242, Deprivation of Rights under Color of Law, Title 18, Paragraph 241, Conspiracy Against Rights. That's when you take it out of their court and bring it to federal court where you hold them liable. Optional, file for writ of mandamus or emergency injunction. If they're moving too fast, trying to force sentencing, custody, etc., you can file a writ of mandamus to stop unlawful action, an emergency injunction to pause proceedings. These get filed with higher or federal courts and are designed to freeze the situation until jurisdiction is reviewed. If they move forward after you object, 1, don't argue. Document the violation. 2, speak for the record. Let the record reflect. 3, file judicial notice and notice of violation. 4, appeal or take it to federal court. Civil rights claim. 5, hold them accountable. Don't give up just because they act lawless. Need help with the appeal, judicial notice, or federal lawsuit paperwork? I can draft it out for you step by step. I just say the word.